Air conditioning repair is your key to a comfortable summer with average August temperatures only in the low 70s. It doesn't seem like Boston would be uncomfortably hot in the summer. But as every New Englander knows, it's not the heat, it's the humidity that make the summer months uncomfortable. Fortunately, your air conditioner will dehumidify the air as it is chilled, helping combat both the temperature and the humidity to maximize your comfort this summer. Of course, if your air conditioner isn't in great shape, you'll need to have it fixed before the truly swampy days of summer hit. That's why it's important to call your air conditioning contractor today. Air conditioner repair in Boston is your answer to comfortable living this summer. Routine service can help keep your AC in great working condition, but if your unit has developed a problem, it's time to call in the big guns HVAC professionals. Regardless of what type of HVAC system you have, from air conditioning heat pumps to traditional cooling units, they'll be able to provide complete diagnostics and repair services. Some problems like low coolant levels are easier to fix than others, but even seemingly tricky issues can be effectively resolved by a skilled air conditioner repair technician. Frequent problems that can prevent your air conditioner from functioning at its peak include clogged drain lines, malfunctioning compressors, low coolant levels, broken fans, thermostat issues, duct leaks, or volume. It's easy enough for a homeowner to notice an issue with their AC, usually based on the temperature in your house, but it can be difficult to accurately troubleshoot the source of the problem. That's why we recommend calling a professional air conditioner contractor. Not only will they be able to correctly diagnose your problem, they also have the expertise, equipment, and knowledge to repair your air conditioning. From correct handling and disposal of older, hazardous coolants like Freon to safe AC compressor repair, your HVAC pro has what it takes to do the job right. To ensure you get the best air conditioning repair service possible, be sure you use a licensed, experienced provider. DIY and amateur repair attempts often make the problem worse and end up with a call to the experts, so you may as well just call the pros in the first place. HVAC repair in Boston, http://absolutehomecomfort.bostonbiz.com/ is a breeze when you call the experts. No more worrying about your AC unit breaking down, or suffering through the next heat wave. With air conditioner repair, you'll be ready to enjoy the whole summer in cool comfort. Bob Westman is the Assistant Internet Marketing Manager for Prospect Genius, a leader in SEO for local service providers. Article source, https://ezinearticles.com/expert/Bob_Westman/340635